Okay, I moved. Scud clouds are here. See lower scud clouds? They are, let's see what they're doing here. They're slowly getting pulled up, so it's still not very strong. But it's definitely moving this way. And that's like pretty close to where I'm at right now. I don't know if you can see these things. Let's see if I can zoom in and see if you can see these scuds. So there's little clouds that are getting sucked up. And if you watch, there's some pretty good rotation right here. What's this? I still don't feel a strong inflow, but it is getting lower. Actually, from what I can tell, I should probably move because I'm pretty close. So let's move back out here and see. Still feel a strong inflow yet though. So this still, to me, doesn't seem like it's together. It's probably enough to do some little bitty funnel clouds, but see, they're starting to speed up. Starting to get a little bit fancy here. All right, the backside's building too. See it over there? Way over here. So what's building right here is this above me. I don't know that you can see this stuff. This wall cloud's still moving. I've got a pretty good system right here behind me, right on top of me. Okay, that looks like I'm sitting in the middle of it. So I'm gonna move.